So recently I got this 6 pieces sewing loop kit. This one kit ensures to meet your different sewing needs. It has a metal threader, 1 piece metal tweezer also called bodkin, 2 pieces loop turner hooks, and 2 pieces of plastic drawstring threaders. Let's see how I use them. Let's talk about the metal tweezers first. They are also called bodkin. I use them for very thick or very thin drawstrings. Made from stainless steel, these tweezers grip the drawstring securely and then you can tighten it further with the sliding ring. Once you are sure of its grip, you can use it as your usual threader. Then we have this metal threader. Just secure your drawstring or cording through this hole and you're good to go. Then we have got these 2 plastic threaders, one in pink, one in blue. They are really good to use for your long threading process. On one side you've got these 2 holes, they are of different sizes, so depending upon the drawstring you are using, you can use this hole. I sometimes use both of them for a single drawstring too. The other is a round sturdy plastic end which says this end first. So I'm using this blue cord and I'm passing it through both the holes to secure it. If you want to secure it even further, you can use knots here. So once I'm happy with this, I'm using the other end, the round end, to enter first. Then I slide it through, and once I'm done, I'm going to pull the entire threader with the drawstring out. Then we have these stainless steel loop turners. They are used to turn narrow tubes of fabric through to the right side. So they have got a latch hook on the top. So there is a hook and then there is a latch to it. The hook grabs the fabric perfectly and then you can pull it through. Now how to use it? Slide the loop turner through the fabric tube till the very end. Now once it reaches the end, you pull the tube so that the hook grabs the fabric. Now you slowly pull it to the right side, maintaining the tension on the hook. And that's how these 6 pieces become essential and practical tools for your sewing needs.